Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying fundamentals. Open Google Photos and confirm the app is updated, because older builds may hide features. Next, make sure you're signed into the exact Google account that created the locked folder, otherwise you won't see it. Once done, prepare the device PIN or biometric that protects the folder. You'll need it to access content. These steps remove simple access blockers and explain why account and app state matter before we attempt recovery. You'll find the locked folder under Photos Library Utilities. Tap Locked Folder and authenticate with your device security to reveal items. If the folder appears empty, pause, swipe to archive, and check other albums, because items sometimes get moved rather than deleted. Once unlocked, select photos or videos and use Move or Restore to transfer them back to the main library. This preserves timestamps and metadata. Make sure to export any critical files immediately to avoid future lock conflicts. Finish by selecting Restore to return items to your main library, or use Export to save copies to device storage. This prevents loss if the locked folder becomes inaccessible again. Then, enable backup and sync so future content is stored in your Google account automatically. If you can't open the locked folder, try clearing Google Photos app cache, force stop, or reinstall the app. And, if necessary, reboot the device. If that still fails, verify account permissions and try on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.